Hi, and welcome to the 2018-19 school year. If you're like me, this time of year you're always thinking, how am I going to be more organized this year than I was last year? Typically, I'm looking through my desk. I have a pile of notes because I really like to take notes with a pencil and paper. And the other problem is I don't want to carry all that paper around. I really want to keep it in my pocket on my device so that I have it whenever I need it. So I've been looking at solutions, one, to stay more organized, and two, to make it convenient for me. And I've also been looking at the research, knowing that I really like to write with paper and pencil, and yet I work in technology and think that's kind of odd that I don't want to just type my notes. But the research is pretty clear. It says that a study out of Princeton University said that people that are typing notes are just typing verbatim. But when you're writing, you cannot write as fast as you can, as you think. So you have to process it, and you're using both sides of your brain. And so it really does help you to remember better. So that validates my reason for wanting to use paper and pencil, but yet it doesn't solve my problem of convenience until now. I have found something new that I really like, and I want to share it with you. It's called the Rocketbook. What you need to do first of all is download the app in the App Store called Rocketbook. Now there's three kinds of Rocketbooks. The first kind is just the plain one, and you write on each page. Take your phone, take a picture of the page, and it saves it for you. But so what? I could take a picture of any page, right? Well, yeah, you could. But here's the really cool part. As you can see, there are seven different icons on here. And so for each icon, I can save my material in a different spot. For instance, I could save one to email, one to my Google Drive, something to Evernote, something to Dropbox, Slack, and the iCloud. So I could have a spot that I save each one in. All I have to do is just put an X or circle that icon at the bottom of the page, and voila, it just shoots it out to that particular cloud. I like that because sometimes I want it in my email, sometimes I want it in my Google Drive in my directors folder. So I can choose exactly where I want this note to go. And the other cool thing about that is I might want it in Google Drive and in Dropbox, and I can circle both icons and have it in both places. Today, each of you will get a Rocketbook, and I hope that you'll download the app ahead of time. But there's another kind of Rocketbook that's called the Wave. This is the really cool one, but we're giving you the beginner series to see if you even like this method of taking notes and keeping track of things. The Wave is super cool, and I am going to show you how it works. It's reusable. About 5 times you can reuse this book. So I have all of my notes, and I'm going to show you how I cook the books. Throw it in the microwave, clear it out, and use it again. And finally, there's a Rocketbook Hardcore for people that really like Rocketbook, and it comes with a cloth, and you can actually just get the cloth wet and wipe the page off, and it's reusable as many times as you want to use it. So today I feel a little bit like Oprah. A Rocketbook for you, and a Rocketbook for you, and a Rocketbook for you. So download the Rocketbook app, and when you get to the admin PD meeting, we will show you exactly how to use it, and we'll start using it today. Now, one more thing. If you do decide you want to get the Wave book, you will have to use Frixion pens. Frixion pens allow you to erase the ink. But let me tell you, in this Kansas weather, 102 temperature, if you leave your notebook in the car, it'll erase the ink. But you can put it in a plastic bag, pop it in the freezer, and your writing will come right back. So, pretty cool. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. Download that Rocketbook app, and we're going to get started.